Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your AI avatar for free in Midjourney. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. To start creating your AI avatar, start signing up on the Discord website to access the tool. Then, once you are ready, visit midjourney.com and just click the join invitation. This tool can be accessed using your PC or phone. After accepting the invite, it will bring you to Discord chat rooms. Then look for the rooms on the left side and navigate for the newbie rooms. Then you can enter any of these rooms. Now start creating your artwork. Just use the /, imagine, and input anything you have in your mind. Then, the bot will take your request and after 60 seconds, you will have 4 variants of the art. You can click it to upscale or edit the quality based on your preference, or if you want more variants of your image, you can also choose there. Moreover, you can also ask Midjourney bot to create a personalized logo design or a website design for you. In addition, you can also sign in on the Midjourney website to see your artwork history and visit the top artworks created by other users. This tool can also create an avatar for you by dropping your picture in the chat room, and then type the imagine command and input the type of avatar you are looking for. Then, you will have the result. And that's it. We hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.